everyone, and today I'm doing a screencast video of how to do collaborative work on a Google document. So first pull up my internet here, and I've already started in. I've logged into my drive, and in my Google Drive I have my document right here that you double click on, and it pulls you over to my page that I've already started this on. As you can see here, I've already started working on this. I've got my theme at the top, and I've got what I've already chosen in the just black and bolded section. And if you come down here, this highlighted section, this is actually what another person I have sent to has worked on and gave me some advice. So what I like to do is come up here and it says last edited 26 minutes ago by Claire McDaniel. So that's another user I've shared this with. And you can come and look on the right hand bar here, you can see that I'm in green. The fellow person working on this is in purple. And as you scroll through the document, you can see who did what changes and adding to the document. And then in the end, when you're ready to submit or you're done with the Google document, it has been shared with everybody. Everybody can see it and look at it and see who did what changes. It's a great tool to work on projects that are online for everybody. So that's how you use Google Docs in a collaboratory way. And don't forget, if you want to share it with somebody, you go up to the share option. And you can see these are the two people that I've worked on it, me and Claire, and I can add other people as I want to. And then you just click done and it'll share it with them and they can work on it as well. So that's a great screencast video for you guys to understand how Google Docs work. So good luck.